Hi there. Thank you for joining us in this free presentation and for your shared interest to learn how to strategize about your immigration path in the United States, lessen your stress, and save money. My name is Nefeli Sudiriu, and I'm the owner of Nefeli Sudiriu Coaching Services. What I'm about to share in this informative presentation is my own personal experience with F1 student visa, the H-1B employment program, and the self-petition in extraordinary ability in the arts. This program is for young adults that plan to seek further education in the United States. It is useful to international students that already have an F1 visa and they proactively gather information for the H-1B employment visa. Finally, it is for artists with a graduate degree from a United States university aiming a self-petition for permanent residency called EB-1A, Extraordinary Ability in the Arts. I am a total creators expert. Aside a Master of Fine Arts in Film and Media Arts, I had a tenure teaching art courses like filmmaking, design, and photography to all ages, 5 to 89 years old in the United States. My certification is in creativity coaching with the humanistic approach to psychology. On the job, I worked in mental health as a behavioral coach. In my work with clients, I apply cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. Furthermore, I'm trained in mediation and conflict resolution from past workplace positions. I seized the day back then. I took many positions that turned beneficial in my professional development. And as an independent filmmaker, these life experiences reflect to the stories I produce. Part of my coaching philosophy is to help you adapt smoothly to a culture, an environment, situations, or circumstances beyond your experiences. The media from the left is from a recent motivational lecture in my hometown in Limassol, Cyprus. The one in the middle is from a wellness workshop I offered in Brooklyn. And the photograph to the right is from an expressive art workshop in Soho in Manhattan, which I designed and facilitated. Here's a photograph of me at a classmate's party in 1999. It was the first year I arrived in the United States. For the record, I smoke a flavored herb. Those early years were exciting and demanding at the same time. I lived with roommates from foreign countries, learned to enjoy their cooking, bought my first duck feather coat, adjusted to intense coursework, and stayed up to complete a load of assignments. I slowly integrated in the new life, not without challenges, and remained focused in obtaining work after graduation. Be proactive from the first year at school and learn about internships that can help you obtain experience and to build your resume. Inquire for OPT early on. Is it a 12-month program for your field? Can it be extended to 18 months? OPT is a work permit for gaining employment in the United States after graduation. About the interview and the hiring process. After you receive an offer, you negotiate your salary and express your need for an employment visa or for a green card. If you accept the offer, you request to receive the agreement in writing. The H-1B visa employs those in specialty occupations, for example, someone in technology or a videographer. You can have an H-1B for an initial time period for 3 years. Your employer can extend it to 3 more and even switch employers at the 3rd year. However, you must maintain a legal status always. Delays are possible. Count for those very carefully. Every year, only a limited number of H-1B visas are allowed. Higher degree earners are an exemption with a cap restriction, but worth to look into. The H-1B visa has immigrant intent. Bring this to your prospective employer's awareness and prepare to leave the negotiation table if they have a hard time understanding United States law. Your employer is obligated to pay for your H-1B visa expenses. Know your value. Look at occupation and salary through the United States Department of Labor website to ask for a fair pay. There are other visa options aside H-1B, such as O-1. O-1 is for those with extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, athletics, motion pictures, and television. For O-1, you cover your own expenses. As a graduate degree holder from a United States university, you can file a self-petition for permanent residency or a green card. Applicants who can demonstrate their extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics through sustained national or international acclaim are not required to have a permanent offer of employment in the United States and are eligible to self-petition. However, they must intend to work in the United States in their field of expertise. Thanks for watching. Have any questions? You can find me online at my website www.nefelisodirio.com.